What's up everybody? I just felt like vlogging, so I'm gonna vlog. Today I was having some computer problems, so I was over at the store that can kind of like help you, and it's like a Mac resale shop. Because my computer has been like randomly shutting off whenever my hard drive isn't plugged in, and it's super annoying because it's a laptop, so I want to like bring it places and like move it around, but my hard drive is basically always plugged in, so when it's not plugged in it just dies, and it's so annoying. It'll be like in the middle of when I'm editing a video and it'll just turn off and it like hadn't rendered yet, so then I'll just lose all the progress that I just did. So I'm home from that, and I'm actually going to lunch right now with one of my old coaches from Oregon because she's in town doing a camp. So I'm gonna go to Chop Shop, which is a really fun restaurant in Scottsdale. And I wanted to tell you guys about yesterday because I did something really cool for the news, and I'll insert the Snapchats that I posted about it. It was with the Bubbly Blonde. It was really cool, a little segment on what to wear to the Phoenix Open, which is a big golf tournament. And yeah, we did some like outfit modeling for ideas, and it was really fun, and it's gonna air on Friday. What's up you guys? So I just did something super out of my comfort zone and like different than anything I've ever done, and I just kind of modeled / just wore clothes for the news. Outfit ideas for the Phoenix Open with the Bubbly Blonde, check her out. And all of the clothes are from Alixandra Collections. And yeah, it was really fun, and it's airing on next Friday. I have no idea if I'll actually post this vlog, but maybe I'll make it into like a mashup vlog type thing. But yeah, I just feel like talking to you guys. I cleaned my room this morning. As you can see, my bed is made, except for this little junk pile is not clean. But I just want to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing these like boyfriend jeans. These are like my favorite, most comfortable jeans because they're so stretchy. They are from TJ Maxx, and they were seriously like $22, I think. And then I have my cute little shoes, and they were from, I got these actually in Toronto from Saks Off 5th. And then I just have on my white t-shirt, and I have all of my lights because I've been filming. You guys, SOS, my plant is dying. I'm so sad. My water at home, I have like a water softener, so our water has salt in it, and so I looked it up because I was like, I'm turning the camera around. I was so confused why my plant was dying, and then I was like, oh my gosh, we have salt in our water. Like, I'm killing the plants. I've been like watering my poor plant, yet I'm killing it, and I feel so bad. And I think the hose water outside might just be like the city water, so hopefully that's fine. But I'm gonna start doing that because I feel so bad. I'm literally like, why is my plant dying? Like, I'm taking such good care of it, and it's because of our water. So I'm gonna try and keep him alive, or else I'm gonna go get a new one because it's like the background that I've been using for my videos, and I don't want like my sad little dead plant behind me. But yeah, clean room. Yeah, here are my goodies from Red Earth Beauty. Just some of this stuff. I can't wait to try this stuff. Yeah. You guys, also, I got these slippers from Amazon. They were like less than $20, or actually, they might be like exactly 20. They are the most comfortable slippers ever, and they have a bottom, so I can wear them outside if I need to, and they're so comfortable. I'm like super excited because I've been wearing a pair from like the hotel, like those like cheap ones, and they were disgusting. So I finally got a good pair of slippers, and I intentionally, oh my god, was my finger over the speaker that whole time? Shoot. I intentionally got this color because I didn't want the dog hair to show, because I have this like weird phobia with dog hair. It's really weird, but I just don't like dog hair, so that'll kind of disguise it. Also, I've decided that I want to kind of spruce up my bathroom, so I haven't like decided what I'm gonna do yet, but I just want to make some like minor changes. I'll kind of show you guys right now. So I have pink walls and this like crazy cute shower curtain, but my bathroom is kind of like the guest bathroom, so it's kind of like loud, and I wanted to kind of tone it down. Okay, also it looks like I have so many products, but half of those are like empty that I need to get rid of. But yeah, I'm gonna make some minor changes that you guys will see in a vlog, but for now this is what it looks like. But I kind of want to keep the light pink walls because they kind of go along with like my pillow, so I can play that up. So I have like light pink, boom. But I was thinking of putting up just my white curtain to kind of tone it down, and then get some different towels. I loved these towels for a really long time, but they're just kind of dark. Replace this stuff, and then do some shelves or something. So you guys are getting an inside scoop to my bathroom makeover. You guys, also, I just got home from that computer place and poor Champ, oh my gosh, why am I out of focus? Why does this always happen? I walked in and Champ was limping. Okay, I'm done. I'm not gonna move my hands because I think that's why that happens. Okay. Poor Champ was limping so bad, and I don't know if he like pulled a muscle or something outside or like was running around, maybe like got something in his paw, but it's so sad. Where is he? Come here. Come here. Oh. Are you still bad? Look at my dog. Oh, he just put his nose in it. Champ, what's wrong? Oh. Let me know if you guys like when I vlog more on like a daily, weekly basis. This is my office slash desk because I've learned that when I work in my room means like hang out, sleep. Oh my God, Champ. This is so sad. What's wrong? My bedroom just means like sleep, hang out. So when I was like working in there, it just like wasn't really working very well. So this is my makeshift desk, just the dining room table. And I'm actually uploading something. What's up, you guys? I look a little bit ratchet because I just woke up. Garrett's staring at me. But I was just on the news, which was pretty cool. I'll insert some clips. Yeah, it was pretty fun and it didn't look too bad. And I was kind of scared because it was a little bit like nerve-wracking, but it turned out to be fine. Also, I wanted to mention, oh my gosh, my grandma just texted me. Mimi probably watched. I wanted to mention, I did at the beginning of this video, but this is a collab with Shayla Kelley, and she actually did acro at Blaire, and she's really sweet, and she just made a vlog channel, so go check it out. It'll be linked in the description box.
Jewelry is beautiful. I love how it picks up the.
Well, so wait. Oh, interesting.
Are you good?
Not real shit.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Definitely coming out to visit. And our last